Hey there, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be diving into the world of DSers. I know you might be thinking, what's DSers? Well, that's a great question, and one I'm going to answer in just a moment. But before we get started, I want to ask you a question. Have you ever wanted to start your own online store? Or maybe you already have one and you're looking for ways to make it more profitable. If so, then DSers could be the perfect solution for you. So what is DSers? And how does it work? Let's find out. DSers is a dropshipping platform that makes it easy for you to sell products online without having to carry any inventory. In other words, DSers connects you with suppliers who will ship products directly to your customers. This means you don't have to worry about stocking or shipping products yourself, which can save you a lot of time and money. Here's how DSers works. Find products to sell. DSers has a huge database of products that you can choose from. You can search for products by category, keyword, or price. Add products to your store. Once you've found the products you want to sell, you can add them to your store. DSers will automatically import the product information, including images, descriptions, and prices. Set your prices. You can set your own prices for the products you sell. DSers will automatically calculate your profit margin based on the price you set. Process orders. When a customer places an order on your store, DSers will automatically place an order with the supplier. The supplier will then ship the product directly to your customer. Track your orders. DSers will keep track of all your orders and provide you with tracking information. You can also use DSers to communicate with your customers about their orders. Benefits of using DSers. There are many benefits to using DSers. Here are a few of the most important. Save time and money. DSers can save you a lot of time and money by eliminating the need to stock and ship products yourself. Increase your product selection. DSers gives you access to a huge database of products, so you can offer your customers a wider variety of choices. Automate your order fulfillment. DSers automates the order fulfillment process, so you don't have to worry about manually placing orders with suppliers. Track your orders easily. DSers provides you with a comprehensive tracking system, so you can easily track your orders and communicate with your customers. Getting started with DSers. Getting started with DSers is easy. Just sign up for a free account and start adding products to your store. DSers offers a variety of plans to choose from, so you can find the plan that's right for you. DSers is a powerful tool that can help you start and grow your own online store. If you're looking for an easy and affordable way to start selling products online, DSers is a great option. With that said, thanks for watching. I hope this video has given you a better understanding of how DSers works. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on e-commerce and dropshipping.